I just booked my first solo cruise. Is there anything you don't love about Princess Cruises?
That's the fifth question we're going to answer today in this series of Sailor Support. So, whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, come aboard with us as we help you navigate the choppy waters of the cruise line industry and answer your burning questions from around the world.
I just booked my first solo cruise, and after lots of searching and researching, the most cost-effective for me as a solo traveler was with Princess. Now I've gone on YouTube and watched reviews and walkthroughs, and they all seem pretty positive, with small minute complaints for Princess. For reference, the biggest complaint I've seen was the price hike that happened 6 months ago. But is there anything you just don't care for or you don't like about it? I'm going as a solo woman. I don't need water slides. I literally want good food, a drink in my hand, a book in the other hand, to be in the sun, and sometimes do karaoke and trivia when I can. I think it's going to be a marvelous time. Any input would be fantastic. Thanks in advance and have a wonderful morning.
Traveled solo, married, middle-aged woman here on Princess twice in the last 2 months. They have everything I need, and I feel completely comfortable, relaxed, and taken care of. I love being able to do whatever I want, when I want, where I want. I really can't think of any complaints per se. My bed was a little firm the first night. I mentioned it to my room steward in the morning and voila, my bed had a squishy mattress cover on it that evening, and I had the best sleep ever for the next week. Have a great cruise. I'm jealous. Can't wait for my next one.
Solo male traveler here. I don't go to the singles meet and greets or the captain's circle. Too many people think single traveler means easy pickings.
All the desserts are beautiful with little taste. I prefer a messy presentation, but great flavor.
With the exception of the premium desserts that come with the premier drink package, they're all ice cream concoctions designed by a 9-year-old.
My biggest complaint is that some of the other passengers are just rude to staff and other passengers. They push into elevators until you can't move. One guy in an electric wheelchair nearly rammed my mom into the wall of the elevator because he couldn't wait to let her off, so I use the stairs almost always. The staff are always amazing. Anytime something has happened, staff has always done everything they can do to rectify it or make it better. We've been on a ship when one of the engines had a problem. We've missed ports because of severe weather in the North Atlantic. Tours have gotten canceled because of weather, delays on tender ports, all things that can happen when you're the ocean, and I've always been really pleased by how proactive they are. I've never felt unsafe as a woman on any of the cruises.
Interesting. After being on nothing but Royal Caribbean for our first 8 cruises, we've booked a voyage on Princess thinking it might be more our speed. I figured there'd be less aggressive upselling, and I don't need the water slides, zip lines, and whatnot that the mass market lines tend to have. Hopefully, I'll notice some kind of positive difference because it is more expensive than similar itineraries on those lines tend to be.
We've done many Princess cruises. I think they've gotten a bit better about the sales pitch after spa services, though I've only done massages. I've not encountered much smoke other than casinos sometimes. Main dining room food is good as well as specialty places, though I'm never a fan of buffets. International Cafe is great if it's on your ship. Most have them. Also Alfredo's Pizzeria, not the poolside one, is good. Again, it's not on all ships. I've not done the pool food other than pizza and fries, pretty good, but others have said the burgers and hot dogs are good. Entertainment is inconsistent. The small acts are usually good, but the big productions vary. Last fall, they were still doing a show I'd seen a couple of times pre-COVID. Plenty of places to sit in a comfy chair and read as well. Enjoy.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.